What's this? Tires. That's a lot of tires. So this week is a really busy week. We have a lot to prepare for and a lot going on. We're getting brand new tires from BF Goodrich. We're gonna go see Cirque du Soleil. We're getting a brand new shell. And then after all that stuff gets installed, rewired and put on the truck, we're heading out to Texas to go to a really cool conference. And we're gonna see some of our property out there. We gotta hurry home. There's a shipment at our house. What do you think it is?
Someone's putting a ship at our house?
No, not a
Oh, I know! It's a playground! The playground that we were gonna build.
What are you talking about?
Remember we're gonna build a playground?
Not,
For the chickens?
not right now. I mean, that sounds good. Let's just see what it is. Yes. Tires. That's a lot of tires. New tires. What do you think, buddy?
It's cool.
Goodbye.
Bye!
You can do it.
I know.
Yep, that'll last a while. Well, we dropped off the baby at Oma's house, and now we're on for a mysterious adventure. Where do you guys think you're going?
To a jumping park.
A jumping park?
Yeah, remember you said there were gonna be trampolines?
I did say there were going to be trampolines, didn't I? Where else do you think you're going?
A party!
A party! It is kind of a party. Well, I guess we'll just have to see where we're going. I do not miss the traffic in Los Angeles at all. Uncle Kyle. I'm so glad I have you to stop me from crashing a car.
What happens when you
By film and drive.
Oh,
Here, you do it.
There we go.
Thanks, Kyle.
See, my hands are using the phone now, not this guy.
I'm safe. Hi.
I'm not good at
Are you
this.
excited about going to see what we're going to see?
Yeah, it's good. Apparently it's very far away.
Yeah, we told the boys it's another 6 hours.
5
5 more hours.
Right after the red light up there on the right.
What's that?
Drive through Starbucks. Up there on the right.
I need coffee really bad. Yep. Gold card status. I will when you get out of the car. Ah, the coffee thing. It was given to me.
I
Ah,
don't mean to get in the picture.
that's okay. It's a video.
Oh, hello.
Now you're in my video.
Okay, awesome.
Yay! That tower is a rocket.
Well, it's a booster.
Hey, you guys want to see a rocket?
Yeah?
Booster.
A rocket?
No.
You want to see a rocket, Alec?
I want to see a rocket.
What, Alec?
I want to see a booster.
Oh!
Alec's gonna see a booster, not a rocket.
You want to see the rocket booster?
Okay.
Why is SpaceX here?
Because this is where Elon Musk wanted it, I guess. So we're about to see the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket with its landing legs deployed on display here in Crenshaw.
We're in Crenshaw. Crenshaw. Nope, it's just parked for a while.
It's on display like a museum.
Yeah, they're just showing people what the rocket looks like because it did its job really well. That's a rocket right there. That's a booster. Isn't that cool?
Oh, I see.
Look at it. Look, 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 look.
The entrance, that's the door. That's the door.
Yay! then you got my tickets right here. I'm with a tiny little Asian man. We're like the axis of evil.
What's up, buddy?
Little Japan.
Wow, for a section
Oh,
8.
look at all the stuff they said wasn't here. There's, what is this called?
Beer. Before?
No, what's the food place called?
Concessions.
Concession stands. They said
They
they
got alcohol over there
They
too.
do. They have alcoholic drinks.
Center.
We're center
like
stage.
Yeah, you're kind of part of center stage.
We're gonna be center stage. That means they're gonna take you. Do you like your seat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So what was your favorite part, Uncle Kyle?
All the muscles. Those are some of the strongest people I've seen.
Bye, Uncle Kyle.
Bye. Bye.
Hey, so this is my truck as it currently sits. We're about to put on a brand new SnugTop Outback. The Outback has different features. A lot of it is going to be the things that I liked from this model. This model is the Extra Vision. I think SnugTop is probably the best truck topper you can get. I think after I get the new SnugTop Outback on, I'm going to do a complete walk around of the truck to give you an idea of what it looks like, all the stuff I put into it, and how I use it when I go off-road. So, well, he's just working away. So we're gonna take mine and get it back by putting it on this, which for now is right there. So I can put a new one on there. So the shell is done, the rack is on, the tent is on, everything's rewired, we're all set to go. Time to do a walk around. This is the new SnugTop Outback. It has ambulance doors, which give you full access without a tailgate in the way. I put on the Windoors with the sliders so I can get access from the sides whenever I want. There's enough room for the bed slide, and of course the tent fits perfectly on top. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure if you liked the video, give it a like, and subscribe if you want to see us on our next cool adventures. See you next time.